In this video, I'll guide you through how to create events in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new event, customize it, and make sure everyone has the right information at the right time. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're on the main calendar view, you'll see your calendar laid out by day, week, or month, along with a menu on the left and a toolbar at the top. To create a new event, look for the Create button, usually at the top left of the page. Click that, a small event window will appear. Here you'll see a few options for what kind of item you want to add. Click Event, since that's what we're focusing on in this tutorial. Now it's time to give your event a clear title. Click in the title field at the top and type in something descriptive like team meeting or doctor appointment. A good title makes it easy to understand what the event is at a glance. Next, make sure the correct calendar is selected if you use more than one. You can usually see this as a drop-down under the title. Choose the calendar you want and pick a color that helps you visually organize your schedule. For example, you might use one color for work and another for personal events. Set the date and time of your event. Click on the date field to choose the day, then adjust the start and end times. If it's an all-day event like a birthday, you can turn on the all-day option so it doesn't show a specific time. Take a moment here to double check that the time zone is correct, especially if you're planning across different regions. If you want to invite other people, look for the guest section on the right side of the event window. Type in their email addresses to add them as guests. They'll receive an invitation and can accept, decline, or suggest a different time. For online meetings, you can add Google Meet video conferencing. Click the option to add video conferencing, and a unique Meet link will be created automatically. This is especially useful for remote teams or virtual appointments. You can also add a physical location. Click the location field and type in an address or the name of a place. Google Calendar will often suggest locations as you type. In the description area, you can add notes, an agenda, or any important details your guests should know. You can also attach files like documents or presentations, so everything people need is right there in the event. Near the bottom, choose whether you want your time marked as busy or free. Busy means others will see you as unavailable during that time. Then set the visibility, such as public or private, depending on who should be able to see the event details. Finally, add notifications so you don't forget. You can choose how long before the event you'd like to be reminded, and even add more than one reminder if needed. When everything looks good, click Save. If you've added guests, you'll be asked if you want to send invitations. Confirm that, and your event is created and shared.